Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to post on Instagram. If you are using Instagram and you want to send or make a post on your Instagram, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app. I recommend you have to update your app to use latest feature. Simply tap on this profile option in the bottom right corner, and here just tap on the plus option in the top left corner. You have to select post from here. Once you have selected post, you have to select anything from your gallery if you want, or you can use your camera to create a new post. But I'm going to select gallery photo here. Just select the photo or the video which you want to send. I have selected this one. Just tap on the next option here. Now on this page, you can easily edit your photo or the video which you have selected. So you can add music, you can edit text, you can select overlay from here. If you want to add an overlay photo, you can add different filters, or you can use this edit feature to make different editing, to use different edit features here. Once you have done, just tap on done option, then tap on next option here, and here you have to add a caption. You can add a description, or you can also add hashtags. You can add any prompt, any poll here in your post. Once you have done, you just have to select the name feature. If you want to, you can add more tag people, you can add a location, or you can also control your audience from here. Once you have done all of this, just tap on the share option and your profile will be shared. Just wait for some moments until it uploads, and then you'll get it on your profile page. So in this way you can easily make a post on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.